have here today? We have vintage run in Killarney, and there's some really nice cars coming this way today. And here we have a few of the first cars have arrived at viewing point here in Killarney today. Today is 2024, end of August. What's the date today? Today is, what is it? 24th. Hopefully we'll be able to capture some of the car sounds as well. It's quite windy here today, but I have my trusted microphone with wind protector. So what do we have here? We have Lancia Montecarlo. Nice car with nice sound. We heard it earlier. It's really nice. What a great view. Hey bud, how are you? Good. Nice motor you have there.
Yeah,
really nice. We heard it earlier in Killarney.
Oh yeah.
We drive behind it.
Oh yeah.
It's really nice, yeah.
Funny old day, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very windy.
Hot and cold and wet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there many of you around with this one?
No.
No. I've never seen it actually.
Yeah.
I thought it's some kind of Lotus or something like that initially.
Yeah.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it has that same kind of design, right? Yeah.
What engine is it?
2 litre.
Oh.
Yeah.
He was saying something. What did you say? You say 1.6 or something, is it? By the Google. No? Yeah? Oh, the Alpine. Oh, yeah. That was Alpine. Yeah. This one is 2 litre.
2 litre,
Yeah. Cool.
It's
really nice sound out of it.
everything goes to. Yeah, it was actually a white car originally.
Oh, really?
So, yeah. But I didn't like the white.
How did you pick the colour?
It was a Lancia colour. It was one of the. I saw one of them in the NEC. So.
Nice.
Yeah. It's the original colour.
Yeah, I've never seen one of these around.
Yeah.
I've seen all kind of Lancias, like Lancias is they're rare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a bit like an X19. It's kind of a big X19.
Mm.
Yeah. So. Do you know the rally car that they had, the 037? So it used the same cabin as that. The same cockpit was used. Obviously everything else was different. Then, but the same tub was the same.
Yeah.
The center tub,
I think that's. I have 1992 MR2.
Yeah.
Not on here today anyway, but
Yeah.
it's in a restoration.
Yeah.
But I think yours is even lower than that. I think it's very low.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy the.
Yeah.
That's the engine there. Yeah.
All right.
So.
What twin cam?
Twin cam, yeah.
Very unusual.
It was meant to be a 3 litre V6 originally, but with the energy crisis at the time,
Yeah.
it went into a 2 litre. 77, yeah. But in fairness, she's very easy work on. There's a lot to be said for it.
There's plenty of space there.
Yeah.
Get to alternator and
Yeah.
gearbox is there.
And it's a lovely engine, really. In fairness,
Yeah.
it's not. The carb needs to be done right. It's just that she's hunting at times, sort of way.
Yeah. Well, you've done your best anyway to keep it as it is.
Yeah.
How are we going with little fluid?
Huh?
How are we going with the little fluid?
It's alright for the moment. I don't know. Should I be putting?
And another one is escaping.
I don't know. Should I put?
The tiny gears.
So
I know, yeah. I don't know.
I don't- yeah.
They want to say that they hadn't, we don't know whether they hadn't bad or not.
Well, you could run around leaded first day, they were hardened first day,
I'm sure we'll find some.
Yeah.
I'll find some.
Which is that new flipping ethanol I'd be kind of worried about, this kind of.
Yeah. Really nice motor. This part over here, that reminds a little bit of DeLorean. Yeah, really nice. There's a little bit of DeLorean vibes going around it.
Yeah. Same designer.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Because all of that stuff and the front.
It is Pininfarina, like, but I think they're the same. I suppose that was the kind of look going on as well.
Who designed the DeLorean?
Was it Giugiaro? I think it was Giugiaro, yeah.
Huh?
It's the kind of wedge shape.
It is.
Anyway.
At least it's not raining.
Yeah, she's the
At the
Lotus
moment.
Kind of Lotus kind of
Yeah.
look, right, like, yeah.
Nice. Do you mind to start it?
Oh, will you?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll record some
Should I
sound.
put down the thing or do you want it up or whatever?
Yeah, you can throw it down or I'll just put it there. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, the rain is starting to pick up here today, which isn't good, but judging by the clouds, maybe it's gonna go past us. Oh, so here it is, another bus. I have to turn off the camera for now. It's raining now very bad. Not great for my pocket. Yeah, thank God the rain has stopped here now. And we are here with the only car on the show in the viewing point. Lancia is leaving us. Bye bye. I think that's it for today, is it? Are we finishing? This hotel is very interesting. It says what does it say? Aghadoe Heights? Aghadoe Heights. Looks like some kind of industrial complex. Look at those structures holding. Yeah. Well, can find all kind of sorts of funny buildings around here in Killarney. So the question remains open. Will there be more cars today or not? Because this is one of the stopping points on today's vintage run, or the classic car run here in Killarney. From the place where they all are parked, they supposed to all come here, stop, take a pictures, and carry on to the next stop. But so far we are here already. We are here already for half an hour, and yeah, it's nearly 4 o'clock. We don't see anything here so far. Well, this is just a regular 7-seater for the Galaxy. Nothing to see for Galaxy. Yeah, so let's wait and see for another bit and see what we can get. So it's time now to go and hunt for cars. Like I thought with that yellow car and Montecarlo, it's gonna kick off. They're gonna be full with cars.
No, just empty.
Just empty. That's it. Okay. We found the car. I think the last car for today. It is last car for today. That's a nice car. What is it? 1966. It's a really nice car. Hillman. Look at that. And he He had an entry. Yeah, we had to stop and take a shot of that. No, we can't see owner anywhere. Would be nice to start it up and see how it runs. So we had to come back all the way to Killarney to find the car, and we found it. We found it. It's nice. Let's see if the owner is here somewhere. We might get lucky, maybe not. We'll see. We'll see. At least it's nice and dry. At least it's nice and dry at the moment. Yeah. Let's hear it running, yeah?
This might be a good project for you now because it's rear engine.
Rear?
Rear engine.
Really?
Yeah.
What? I didn't expect that. Wow. Look at that. Jesus. Hallelujah. There's the engine at the rear. That's very interesting. Even though the front looks bigger, there should be engine at the front. But no. So the boot is at the front. That is mad, isn't it? Wow. Look at that. Look at that. It's all nicely tucked in. So I'm guessing the exhaust wouldn't be running too far. So I'm guessing exhaust isn't running too far.
No.
Wow, that's crazy. That is mad. And
There's a picture on Facebook on him, and it has a Honda 1100 engine in it. Yeah.
crazy. I was reading there at the front. It was what engine is that? It's one point.
No, that's 850cc. Yeah. It's the old CCs.
So here we are. We have another car, Scirocco. Look at that. Look at this. That's a great example. That is very nice. Yeah. Well, she's in good nick.
Not too bad.
Yeah, she's very good.
Yeah.
Look.
2 marks, 2 batteries.
Ah, sure, that's nothing.
Yeah.
There is room to work on it. Yeah, that's the main thing. But she's not too bad.
Not too bad, no.
What's the underneath? Is underneath all right?
Yeah.
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 Very good.
Pretty good.
He said he'll come here because I said I want to film this one as well. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, the sound. The sound. Smells good. Smells good. Look at this. It's a good example. So these are members of Killarney Classic and Vintage Club. Yeah. And this is the moment where my camera battery dies and it says enough with this Killarney Vintage Run where no cars are running on the run. Okay. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed what it was left to enjoy. And I'll see you on the next run. Hopefully there'll be more cars.